Here now.
So this is what it looks like inside the helmet when you're gonna be in the game. Look, this is the helmet.
She's drinking Coke, guys. See? She's drinking it. Like it's a drink, right, Mom?
Yeah, she likes it.
Look, Jessica, look. These are all 10-year-olds. Jason's way bigger than all these boys.
Might be taller.
Jason's way taller than all. Look at that little kid right there. Jessica, look at him. Look at that little boy.
Oh my God.
He's 10-year-olds now.
Look at number 5.
10-year-olds. Look at 10-year-olds.
Number 5.
Look how little these kids are.
Guys, she's drinking little leftovers on the side.
You gotta chase him. Chase him down, tackle him.
Who's the person that tackles?
See? Defense.
I'm a defense. I'll be pretty good.
See how little these kids are? You're taller than all. Look at them. You're taller than all these kids.
You like that, Max?
I would play some defense. That would probably be my thing.
Tackle the quarterback. Whoever has the ball.
Don't poop.
Oh, crap.
Don't poop whenever she
I
flies.
think she already did.
Wait, let me see. Stay still.
Can you do that?
Move.
Come here, Max.
She didn't poo.
Really
Wait.
tall
Yeah,
kid
she
out
didn't poo, Mom.
Maybe.
Wait, yeah. Wait, let me see. It's hard because her poo's the same color.
That's what
If it would be, she didn't poo, Mom. She's got all fluffed up.
Look, here you
She
go,
does
right
that. She gets all fluffed
You
up.
get fluff up, honey.
One thing that's
Where'd
done
she
the
go?
most on offense and defense from
Do that
outside.
mouth thing and
What
see
is
if she
it?
does
What's the
it.
most percentage
Let
thing
me
that's
see.
done?
There you go.
Come on, baby.
The one thing that's done.
Good girl.
This is a, what is it called? What is she called? A Quaker?
A Quaker.
One thing that's
Quaker
done
bird,
the
and
most
yeah,
on offense
this
and
is
defense
our
from
bird.
outside.
So, yeah, hope you liked it.
Most percentage
And bye.
There you go.
Da 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 da.